Have you ever watched those creepy, fast-paced horror shorts on YouTube or TikTok that make your heart race and wondered how people make them? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own horror-style short videos using a few simple and reliable AI tools. We'll start by using ChatGPT to come up with a short story and then move into Vexobai, where we'll turn that story into visuals, voices, and atmosphere. So if you've ever wanted to bring your ideas to life and create engaging horror shorts for TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process. To create a horror video that feels original, the first thing we need is a unique story, something fresh but still matching the style people enjoy in short horror content. What I do is simple. I look at a few successful horror channels, find a video that performed well, and paste its link into any video transcription tool. Once I have the transcription, I bring it into ChatGPT. First, I ask ChatGPT to analyze and remember the transcription so it understands the tone and pacing. Then I give it a second prompt. Rewrite a completely original horror story inspired by this structure. ChatGPT gives me a brand new story that keeps the style while staying fully unique. With our script ready, it's time to turn it into an actual video. And for that, we'll move to Vexub. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. On the main dashboard, you'll see a button labeled Create a Video. Click on that to get started. Vexub gives you several options: text to video, MP3 to video, SMS style video, MP4 to video, and video generation using VO3. Since we already have our script, we'll choose text to video and then continue to step 2. Here, we select the video format. Vexub supports both vertical and horizontal styles, but because we're making short videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, I'll choose the vertical format. Next is step 3, where you choose your narrator or voice. For this particular story, I'm going with no narrator, and for voice, I am going with Alex, but you can pick from the built-in voice options. Preview each one, or even upload your own custom voice. Then we move to step 4, where we paste our script. Since ChatGPT already generated our horror story, I'll simply drop it into the text box. If you want to experiment, Vexub also gives you recommended prompts you can use to generate a script inside the tool itself. But for now, our story is ready to go. Hence, click Go to Step 5, where Vexub lets you choose the visual style of your video. You'll see a variety of options here: realistic V2, cinematic comic, charcoal, watercolor, horror, anime, pixel art, and many more. Since we're creating a horror story, I'll select the horror style. But if none of the presets match what you want, you can click on Custom. This allows you to describe your preferred look using a simple prompt, and Vexub will help you generate a custom visual style based on your description. Once you're happy with the style, click Start Generation, and it will begin creating the assets for your video. After the generation is complete, you'll be taken to the editing interface, which is divided into 4 sections: video, sound, subtitles, and style. This is where you finalize your project. You can edit your thumbnail, adjust the title style, modify the hook title, and update any scene. If you choose to edit a specific image or clip, Vexub offers 3 options. 1. Regenerate using AI by updating the prompt. 2. Choose from stock footage. Or 3. Upload your own custom images or videos. Once your visuals are set, switch to the Sound tab. Here you can adjust the voice volume, enable or disable background music, and choose from the built-in music options. If you prefer something unique, you can also upload your own audio file. Next is the Subtitles tab, an important part of creating engaging short-form content. You can choose your subtitle style, adjust the size and position of the text, and even add emojis or animated emojis if you want to make your video more expressive. Finally, under the Style tab, you can choose the animation effect for transitions. Options like fade, slide, static, relax, or Vexub. Pick the one that matches the tone you're going for. Once everything looks good, click Export. Vexub will process your video and prepare the final version. When it's ready, you'll see your completed video along with suggested titles and descriptions, and that's it. Your horror short video is fully created and ready to publish. And that's the process I followed to put this project together. If you'd like to explore the tools I used or try them for your own creative experiments, the link is available in the description below. Feel free to check it out whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, this sounds fake, but there's a painting in Italy people swear changes its face when you're not looking. And what happens at night?